Most people don't fail because they're not smart enough or talented enough. They fail because they quit before they make enough mistakes to get good. The difference between those who win and those who lose isn't talent, intelligence, or luck. It's consistency. Success isn't about being the best from day one. It's about showing up every single day, even when you're terrible at something, until you've made enough mistakes to figure it out. Consistent people beat inconsistent people every time. And that's why most people never make real progress. They try something for a few weeks, get frustrated, quit, and then start something new, repeating this cycle over and over again, never realizing they're just running in circles. If you're serious about success, you don't need motivation. You don't need luck. You need discipline to stay in the game long enough for your mistakes to turn into mastery. Today, I'm going to show you the science of consistency, the brutal reality of why most people fail, and how to fix it starting today. Key 1. The consistency paradox. Let me repeat high for a second. Most people don't fail because they're not smart enough or talented enough. They fail because they quit before they make enough mistakes to get good. Psychologists call this the dip, a term popularized by best-selling author Seth Godin. The dip is that period where progress feels painfully slow, motivation disappears, and self-doubt kicks in. Here's how it plays out. Week 1. Excitement is high. Motivation is through the roof. Week 3. Reality hits. It's harder than expected. Doubt creeps in. Month 2. Progress feels invisible. You start questioning if it's even worth it. Month 4. Most people quit. They assume they're not cut out for it and start something new, only to repeat the same pattern again. But here's what successful people understand that everyone else doesn't. The dip is where most people quit. So if you push through it, you automatically separate yourself from 99% of people. The dip is where skill is built. Every rep, every mistake, every failure sharpens you into someone who actually knows what they're doing. The dip is where success happens. If you can stay consistent long enough, you win by default because everyone else has already dropped out. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, it's not because they're better than you. It's because they stuck with it long enough for the process to start working in their favor. Key 2. Why consistency beats talent. A lot of people believe success is about raw talent. It's not. Science proves that deliberate, consistent effort outperforms natural talent over time. Psychologist Angela Duckworth wrote an entire book about this called Grit: The Power of Passion and Perseverance. Her research found that effort counts twice as much as talent when it comes to long-term success. She broke it down into a simple equation. Talent multiplied by effort is equal to skill. Skill multiplied by effort is equal to achievement. Notice how effort appears twice in that formula? That's because even if someone is naturally gifted, they won't succeed unless they put in the work every single day. Meanwhile, the person who lacks talent but shows up consistently will eventually surpass the talented person who gives up too soon. It's not about being the best, it's about sticking around long enough to become the best. Key 3. The 10,000 mistakes rule. Most people think mistakes are bad. Successful people know mistakes are required. There's a well-known concept called the 10,000-hour rule, based on research by psychologist Anders Ericsson. It states that it takes roughly 10,000 hours of deliberate practice to become world-class at something. But here's the part that most people don't understand. Those 10,000 hours are filled with mistakes. Every bad decision you make teaches you what not to do. Every failure you experience gives you data on how to improve. Every embarrassing moment you go through hardens you into someone unshakable. If you never make mistakes, you never learn. If you never learn, you never improve. And if you never improve, you never succeed. The people who win aren't the ones who avoid mistakes. They're the ones who make the most mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. Key 4. The reset to zero trap. How most people stay stuck. The real reason most people never make progress is because they keep resetting to zero. They start a new workout program, quit after a month, and then restart with a different one. They launch a business, hit a rough patch, and then abandon it for a new idea. They try to build a new habit, miss a few days, and then completely give up. Every time you quit and restart, you erase all the progress you made. If you just stuck with something long enough, you'd eventually break through. Author James Clear, in his best-selling book Atomic Habits, explains this perfectly. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. If you quit early, you're casting votes for inconsistency. If you push through, you're casting votes for success. Which one are you voting for? Key 5. How to become unstoppable. The 1% rule. Most people fail because they aim for massive change overnight. Successful people, they focus on getting just 1% better every day. This is called the compound effect, popularized by entrepreneur and author Darren Hardy. His research found that small daily improvements lead to exponential growth over time. If you improve by 1% every day, you won't just be 365% better by the end of the year. You'll be 37 times better. That's the power of small, consistent actions. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it, making small improvements daily, and allowing time to do the rest. Look, everyone wants success, but very few are willing to be consistent enough to actually earn it. The hard truth? Most people quit too soon. But the winners? They stay in the game when others leave. They make 10,000 mistakes until they get it right. They push through the dip when everyone else runs away. Success isn't complicated. It's not luck. It's not talent. It's simply staying consistent long enough for success to become inevitable. So here's my challenge for you. Pick one thing. Stick to it. Stop starting over. Make mistakes. Learn. Adjust. Repeat. Keep going longer than everyone else and watch what happens. Because at the end of the day, consistent people beat inconsistent people every single time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more knowledge and inspiration.